If you think that you've ever lost anything, God is the reason why you've not lost everything. March 2024 was a horrible month for me. I lost a lot of hair from my head. I have always pampered my hair. I have always cared for my hair the best possible way that I can using safe, natural, 100% ingredients. But March 2024 taught me a lot of lessons. And one of it, which is being very careful with the products that I put in my hair. If you are watching this, if you don't take anything out of this video, I want you to know that your products can make or mar your hair. The product that you put in your hair can mess your hair up. It's not just about you caring for your hair. The product you're putting in your hair can mess with your hair. This is just a fraction of what I lost, what came out from my hair. This is just a fraction because we've packed a lot and trashed. Few weeks later, about 2 or 3 weeks later, this was the result. I literally went bald on my edges. Like I was bald because of a product that I used in my hair. That is why I won't stop sharing natural ingredients that I share on this channel. Fast forward to few months after the incident, look how thick and bushy my hair became. My hair even became even longer because after the incident, I had to trim my ends. I trimmed a lot out. But I thank God for today that with the natural products that I use and share on this channel, I was able to grow back my hair. It was as if nothing happened. I was thinking of cutting my hair all out because the damage was too much. People suggested that I cut my hair out. I should get a big chop. A lot of suggestions kept coming my way. I was almost frustrated to cutting the whole hair out, but I picked up courage from what I share on this channel. I said, if I share a lot with you guys on this channel, why don't I just use it to grow back my hair? This is me trying to tell you that natural ingredients, the products we share on this channel, they are powerful. They are magical. The best thing is that they are great for your hair and they can't mess with your hair. They are 100% natural. They can't harm your hair. Stop using chemicals on your hair. Stop using products that you're not sure of on your hair. Use natural ingredients that you can make by yourself. You're seeing the ingredients. Go in, you know which is which. You know if this is fenugreek, it is fenugreek, and you're seeing it, it is fenugreek. Without talking too much, let's get to today's video. Today's video, I'm going to be making a potent herbal hairspray that can help you grow back your hair on bald spots, that can help you minimize shedding and breakage, and also help you grow your hair longer and thicker. Just pour about 500 ml worth of water in your pot. Allow it to start boiling while you prep the ingredients. For my first ingredient, I have lemongrass. Guys, this is an amazing plant. In Nigeria here, those that know this plant, they always have it in their flower pots. This plant is very medicinal. It is beneficial both for your health and for your hair. Grab about 15 to 20 grasses of the lemongrass, cut it into pieces like so. You can only use your scissors because the grasses are very strong. If you can't get this, you can get it on Amazon. If you don't get the fresh ones, you can get the dry version from Amazon website. So my next ingredient is moringa. You guys already know that this plant, I don't joke with it. If you've been with me since the inception of this channel, 4 years now and counting, you know that I love moringa so much, and they have loads and tons of benefits that they offer to hair. Now, all I did was just to plug these ingredients, wash them thoroughly allow them to dry, air dry, and next I started using them. No need to cut them or prep them and start washing them. Get a handful of the moringa leaves. Please, if you don't have all these ingredients, you can use the dried version. They have moringa leaves, the dried ones. So you can use the dried version. So transfer it into the boiling water. The water you saw me pouring in the pot from the beginning part of this video, I brought it to a boil. So that's what you're seeing now. Pour all your ingredients into the pot and then immerse it inside the water so that this can cook very well. Then cover up your pot and then allow this to boil for 15 minutes. Once it is 15 minutes mark, proceed to uncovering the pot and allowing it to sit on your stove for about maybe 30 minutes until it is cooled completely. Then you can strain it and then you get your filtrate and use it in your hair. I had to skip the part that I strained this and transferred into my spray bottle. You can use your cheesecloth or you can use your strainer to strain this. I had to skip that part so that this video doesn't exceed 9 minutes or doesn't get up to 9 minutes so that you guys can watch to the end. You know the drill. I mostly use these herbal teas as a leave-in, whereby I spray this from root to tips and then I follow up with my leave-in conditioner and I seal with either my pomade or hair butter or hair growth oil. Whichever you have is fine. So if you're using it as a tea rinse, then you have to shampoo your hair, deep condition, rinse off the deep conditioner, pour this tea in your hair from root to tips, then leave it on for 30 minutes or so, then rinse it off and proceed to moisturize your hair. That's just how to use it. Some of you may ask, Dima, which among all the ingredients are potent? Which should I start with? Whichever you have the ingredients complete, start with that. Give it for like 3 months. If they don't work for you, you can move to another. This is me sharing with you all the natural things around you that can help you grow your hair, even on a budget. If you're on a budget, these ingredients that I share on this channel can help you grow the healthiest hair of your dreams. So you don't have excuse. You don't have any excuse when it comes to growing your hair. You don't have the money, make the herbal ingredients that we share on this channel. You don't need to buy so much products before you can grow your hair. You don't need to break a bank before you can grow your hair. So that is why this channel has come to stay. If your child is less than 2 years, please do not use this on them. Use kids products out there. But from 2 years and above can use this. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share this video.